So we're back in here. We're gonna basically come in here, make a template up round to this bit here, to this corner, come across right up here, and put a new panel in this bit here to get rid of all this rot and rust, whatever you want to call it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to crack on today. Going to get this bit done, get the inside of this bit finished off, and then go back to the chassis what I cut off in the last video when I had my moment. I might have another moment today, you never know, so we'll see. But anyway, I'll get cracking on with this and see you in a mo. I've had a cry baby because this is an absolute disaster. As you can probably see there, look, right through you can see right through the car. I've been chasing this for a little while. I've got a bit of aluminium plate put behind there to try and. I've done this bit, right, but this bit is just getting worse. I mean, it is. I thought I was going to be able to save most of that behind there, but I don't think it's going to happen. So, but I'll be honest. I've got to be honest with you. Absolute disaster. I'm only learning, anyway, so I've got to tell the truth. I've got to do it properly, you know. So I've made this new panel to go on. So that will go in there like that. That does fit nicely in there. I've got the little ridge in there. You can see it. Well, you can see it very well on there. Can't really see it. You can see it sort of more like there. So it sort of comes down here, you see. But I've kept all that bit. Once that's all in there, it's all in there nice. It does fit in there nice actually. There you go. Fits in there perfect. That. But I'm going to weld this bit up first. Weld that bit up, weld that bit there. And then there's a little gap there. I don't know if you can see a little triangle bit there. Well, I'm going to make that bit and weld this onto the panel before I apply the actual panel. I weld that bit in before I apply the actual panel itself. So, finished my crybaby. So I'm just going to crack on. Right, made the panel. As you can see back there, oh, that's pretty good. Look, if you actually look, it's quite close, especially going to really get it. So anyway, that goes in there like that. So I'll cut and butter in there like that, like so. Spot weld it down here at the bottom. So I'll cut that bit out. So spot weld all that. I'm pretty happy with that. I really am. So yeah, that'll fit nicely in there then. So that whole corner will be rebuilt. So let's get on with it. Let's get on with it. So here we are, this is done, well welded up all the way around. I've sanded a lot of this down, took a lot of the welds off, but that's pretty smooth, to be honest. You don't want to see this anyway, it's been under the seat. You're going to have seam sealer along here anyway, so you're not going to see none of that. But I'm going to give it a quick spray up, and then I'll crack on and spin it around the other side and do the inside, get all that cleaned up in there, and then attack the chassis what I cut out the other day. So right, let's get this sprayed up. There you go, all primed up. Halford's Weld Primer, pucker. This is the old panel where it was before, which was in there. As you can see, it's got the same shape as that one. But yeah, I mean, it's rotten on the back, look. So I tried to weld it up, but holes kept appearing, so I'm happy with that. It's all been nicely primed, so I'll spin it around the other side now and I'll do the other side. So happy what I've got done today. A bit of disaster at the start, but we got through it. You're going to get days like that where it just don't go right, and you know, that's what it is. So really pleased. Thank you for coming back again to watch the videos, subscribing and comments. Yeah, fantastic. So next time I'll hopefully get the chassis finished off. Fingers crossed. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for coming back and get yourself involved.